Good morning. Good morning, my all KG students. Come on, join the class. Yes, I can see all my students will come one by one. Come on, join us and please response through the chat box. Write P. Give your attendance. Yes, Aishman. Good morning, Inakshi. And I can see Ankita also. All of you write down P through the chat box. Yes, good morning, beta, Inakshi. And where are the other students? Where are you? Come on, join us. Yes, I can see Trishita will join. Very good. Trishita, good morning. And all of you, please write down P through the chat box for your attendance. Yes, Nandini. Wow, Trishita is wearing a beautiful hairband. It's like a ear of Mickey Mouse. Trishita, you are looking very sweet. Very nice. Okay. Now tell me, students, how was your holidays and how to spend your Deepavali and all the celebrations, um, Diwali and Chot and Bhai Phota and so many lots of celebration we have um, already celebrated actually. Okay, so how was your holidays? And one more thing will come coming week. You will have term 1 exam, isn't it? So how is your preparation? সবাই কি একটু একটু পড়াশোনা করেছো তো? Because this week, coming week, is your term 1 exam. So today, let's start our class. And can you hear me, all of you? Ankita, move your camera because you are তুমি উল্টো হয়ে গেছো, আমি তোমাকে উল্টো দেখতে পাচ্ছি. Ankita, please set your camera properly. Rotate your camera. Okay, let's start our today's class. So first, today we will do first, all of you take out your book first, math book. First you take out your math book and go to page number 31. Go to page number 31. Go to page number 31, all of you. Okay, and today we will do almost end of the number names that from 90 to 99. Can you see page number 31? You just open page number 31 from your book and today we will write almost last of the number names from 90 to 99. Okay, and we will just reverse আমরা পেছন দিক থেকে এগোবো আজকে. Okay, from 90 to 99 first we will do, then after we will back again 80 to 90 89. Okay, so come on, write down. আচ্ছা আমাকে আগে একটা কথা বলো সবাই, that you will read, তোমরা কি ফিনিশ করেছো এই নাম্বার নেমস from 1 to 100? বাড়িতে কি পড়েছো? Can you read? ত্রিশিতা তো মনে হচ্ছে পড়োনি. ত্রিশিতার এখনো একটু বাকি আছে, তাই তো? হয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে ত্রিশিতা, একটুখানি পড়লেই হয়ে যাবে. ওকে, অলরেডি নন্দিনী, ইনাক্ষী, আয়ুষ্মান, all they have completed. Very good. So today we will do together. First I'm writing 90 number names. Okay, so write down with me. So today we will do page number 31. 90. 90 spelling is very easy because first we will write 9 spelling. N-I-N-E, 9, and very easily T-Y you will add. So T-Y and complete 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 90, completed. Then after 91. So 90 spelling, if you write down 90 spelling, that's it. Then after you will just try 90, 91, 92, 93 and we will go. Then 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 91, O-N-E. ব্যাস, এবার তো ইজি. 90 স্পেলিং যদি একবার পড়ে নি, এবার তো একবার পর 91, 92, 93 ইজিলি চলে যাব. দেন আফটার 92, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 92, T-W-O. ওকে, ওকে, Tomojit also join with us. Very good. Orgo also, very good. Good morning again, Tomojit and Orgo. So then after 93, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 93, T-H-R-E-E. Tomojit and Orgo, please take out your book and go to page number 31. Today we will just start it at almost last portion from our number names from 90 to 100. Okay, then after we will just reverse on 80 to 89, then like this. So first we will do 90 to 100. So that's why I'm writing first on the board 90, then after 91, 92, 93 and then after 94. সবাই লিখছো তো আমার সাথে? You are also doing with me? Nandini, where is your book, beta? Yes. Okay, very good, very good. Write down, beta, write down. Okay, you will just start from 90, okay, with me. Okay, Inakshi also write with me. Very good. Then after 94, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 94, F-O-U-R. 95, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 95, F-I-V-E, 95. Yes. Okay, I can see Shomrik also joined with us. Very good. Now Shomrik, start writing page number 31 from your book and we will start from 90 to 100. Today we will write. So start writing with me. Then after 96, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 96, S-I-X. Completed. So now I'm just rubbing on the board and write down after 96. 96 after 97. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. 7 S-E-V-E-N. Then 98. N-I-N-E-T-Y 90. 8 E-I-G-H-T 8. 99. This spelling is very easy. The nines are here. 90, again 9. Okay? So 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y 90 and 9, N-I-N-E. And the last one, যেটা কিন্তু তোমাদের বইতে দেখো এই কলমটাই করা নেই, 100 এর. Okay? You will just write down over there, বুকের মধ্যে after 99 you will just write down like this, 100. 100. Okay? And we can also call this 100. এটাকে আমরা কি বলি? 100 or we can say 100. So 100 spelling H-U-N-D-R-E-D. 100. Okay? So 100 spelling, you will just read it first because this spelling is not match with this all the other spellings. এতদিন আমরা যে স্পেলিংগুলো 1 থেকে পুরো পড়ে এলাম তাদের সাথে একটুখানি ম্যাচ করার মতো নয়, বাট you will just read it and memorize it and write down, that's all, and এটা তোমাদের ইজি হয়ে যাবে তোমাদের জন্য. So H-U-N-D-R-E-D, this is 100 spelling. Okay, all of you write down in your book. So today we have completed first 90 to 100. Okay, now we will back again 80 to 80, 80 to 89. এবার আমরা আবার পেছন দিক থেকে এগোবো. তো চলো স্টার্ট করি. Let's start from 80. Okay, this spelling has written all of you. Then I am just erasing this board. Yes or no? One of you please write down yes, then after I will rubbing the board. Anyone? Can you write down? If you have completed, then please write down yes. After that I am just writing rubbing the board. Okay, thank you Nandini. So I am just rubbing the board and start again from 80. 80. So first start from 80. Come on, write down 80 spelling. Let's see who will be the first one to write down 80 spelling. Nandini, Tomojit is writing. Yes, Nandini, very good. Tomojit also writing. Very good. Shomrik. Tomojit also writing. Aishman also typing. Very good. So Nandini, Aishman, very good. Orgo is typing. Let's see. Yes, Orgo, very good. So 80 from start, from 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 80. Then after 81, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 81, O-N-E, 82, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 82, T-W-O. Very good. And then after 83, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 83, T-H-R-E. Okay, Ritika also joined with us. So Ritika, today we will do the page number 31 from our math book, and we have just completed from 90 to 100 first. Then after we will move back. পিছন দিক থেকে আজকে এগুচ্ছি আমরা, আবার এবার স্টার্ট করেছি 80 থেকে 89 লিখবো. First we have already done 90 to 100 spelling. We have already written. Now we are writing 80 to 89. Then after 84, Ritika, you will write with me. You will write in your book. I am writing on the board. 84, F-O-U-R. 85, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 85, F-I-V-E. 85, 86, E-I-G-H-T-Y, 86, S-I-X. Complete? So I'm writing, rubbing on the board, and 86 after 87. So E-I-G-H-T-Y, 87, S-E-V-E-N. 89, sorry, 88. E-I-G-H-T-Y, 88, E-I-G-H-T. 89, E-I-G-H-T-Y, N-I-N-E. And 90 spelling, just we have done this, 90, N-I-N-E-T-Y. Okay, so again we have completed 80 to 89, and from 80 to 100 we have completed. And the rest of the portion, most probably we have already completed 60. Okay, 60 spelling, from 1 to 60 we have done. From 61 to 80 we will do at your home. This is your homework first. Okay, very good, Shamrik. So this number names portion we have completed. You will just first you read it, memorize it, and then after you will try to write down. And you know that coming week you will have term 1 exam, and for term 1 exam you will in your syllabus you know that from 1 to 100 spelling over there. So just you will read all the spellings, then after you will try to memorize it, and then after you will just write down. Now all of you take out your any copy, any math copy, and we will just revise some mathematics from for our term 1 exam. Term 1 এর জন্য আমি কিছু কিছু জিনিস প্র্যাকটিস করাচ্ছি, রিভাইজ করাচ্ছি. This type of questions will come in your exam. Okay, all the syllabus you will practice, but some portion, some type of questions today we will do. Come on, write down. And all of you, please go to the e-portal. Then you can see the practice 1 set and practice 2. Set number 1 and set number 2 already I have uploaded. Please go through it and do it. Then you can see that what type of question you will follow. So number 1, first circle the smallest number. Circle the smallest number, and the numbers are come on, write down and do it. First write down, and then after you will do it. Very good. I have got answers from Aishman, Nandini, Inakshi. Very good. So which one is the smallest number? Here is 3. Very good. Now next one, write the number name of 99 and 100. Just we have done 99 and 100. Come on, write down. Number name spelling 99 and 100. So first one is 99, N-I-N-E-T-Y, 99, N-I-N-E, and 100, H-U-N-D-R-E-D. Now third one, write the expanded form of 98. You know what is the meaning of jodi ami kono number er boli write in words. Suppose ami ei question ta jodi thakto write in words of 98, then after what you will write? N-I-N-E-T-Y 98 E-I-G-H-T. তখন আমরা লিখতাম জাস্ট 99 এর নাম্বার নেম স্পেলিংটা ইন ওয়ার্ডস বলেছি। অ্যান্ড হোয়াট ইজ দ্য কোশ্চেন হিয়ার, বাট আমি এখানে কোশ্চেনটা দিয়েছি রাইট দ্য এক্সপ্যান্ডেড ফর্ম অফ 98। দেন আফটার দ্য কোশ্চেন উইল এক্সপ্যান্ডেড ফর্ম, যখনই এক্সপ্যান্ডেড ফর্ম টার্মটা আসবে দেন আফটার উই উইল রাইট ডাউন প্লেস ভ্যালু। প্লেস ভ্যালু যখনই আসবে তখনই আমরা এক্সপ্যান্ডেড ফর্ম এই টার্মটা ইউজ করব। expanded form, that means you know tens and ones, so 98 and expanded form 9 tens and 8 ones. Okay, expanded form means 9 tens and 8 ones, that is expanded form. And whether the question will write the word in words in the number of 98, যদি words এ লিখতে বলি তাহলে number names হবে, যেমন 90 N-I-N-E-T-Y 98 E-I-G-H-T, and expanded form যদি বলি তখন like this in 9 tens and 8 ones, that is expanded form. Okay, next one, number 4, missing number. This type of questions you will practice. Write the missing numbers. Come on, write 92 blanks, 94 blanks, 96 missing number, 98 blanks, and then after again blanks. So what number? 92, then after 93, 94, then after 95, 96 after 97, 98, then after 99, and after 100, 99 after 100. Yes, very good. And the last one, number 5, 98 after dash. What will be the number? 98 after 99. So here is after number, but question will come like this, 98 after. Okay, so today we have done also this revision, these 5 questions we have done, and also number name spellings we have done. So you will just practice all these things, the number names and all the syllabus you will practice at your home, and my best wishes for you for your exam. Okay, so practice it, and this is enough for this class. Next day we will meet again in our another class. Okay, and those are newly joined this class, please write down P through the chat box. I know some of the students you have already written. Those are not written, please write P through the chat box. Those are newly joined after few minutes later. যারা পরে জয়েন করেছো, yes ma'am. চিলড্রেন্সের প্রোগ্রাম খুব ভালো লেগেছে আমার ম্যাম, গানটা খুব ভালো লেগেছে। Okay, thank you Ayushman. Very thanks for your appreciation, and all the programs, all these things only for you, শুধুমাত্র তোমাদের জন্যই এই প্রোগ্রামটা ছিল, because we are not you are not in front us. All these programs we are just trying, and we just all these things do for you. আর তোমরা যেটা অ্যাপ্রিশিয়েট করেছো, তোমাদের যে ভালো লেগেছে, অ্যান্ড আয়ুষ্মান ভেরি 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 থ্যাংক ইউ ফর ইউর অ্যাপ্রিসিয়েশন। আর তুমি যে জানিয়েছো এর জন্য আমার ভীষণ ভালো লেগেছে, আমরা খুব হ্যাপি যে তুমি এটা জানিয়েছো। থ্যাংক ইউ এগেন। আর এরপর তো অল দ্য প্রোগ্রামস উইল কমপ্লিটেড। সো এখন একটু ভালো করে সবাই রিভাইজ করে নাও, প্র্যাকটিস করে নাও ফর ইউর টার্ম 1 এক্সাম, কারণ এক্সামটাও তো খুব ভালো করে দিতে হবে। অ্যান্ড আই নো ইউ অল আর very good students. Now your attendance is going on, so শোভানা খাতুন, সমরিক চৌধুরী, okay. শুভায়ু দত্ত, সুগত বৈরাগ্য, বাইরা BAIRAGYA, সুশোভন, no, SUSHOVAN, মন্ডল, আদিত্য রায়, রয়, আর yes, no one, yes, yes, that's, but there is no, no, only one. Who are there? রেকর্ডিংটা স্টপ করে দিই। Yes, yes.